This is the ultimate guide for first-time travelers in South Korea. From vibrant cities to serene temples, South Korea offers a plethora of experiences. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 things you must do, complete with locations, price points, and essential tips, so let's dive right in. Our journey begins in Seoul, the heart of South Korea located north of Gyeongbokgung Square. Start by exploring Gyeongbokgung Palace, the largest of the 5 grand palaces, which was built in the years approaching the Joseon dynasty by King Taejo in 1934. Not only is it rich in history, but it also features beautiful scenery all year round, with the cherry blossoms during spring, ginkgo trees in autumns, and the pearly white snow during winter. Famous K-dramas that are loved by many have also been filmed here, such as Goblin, one of my favorites, My Sassy Girl, and The Legend of the Blue Sea, another favorite of mine. If that doesn't convince you to visit this rich historic place, then I think the changing of guard ceremony will, which usually looks like a scene in historic K-drama. English tours are usually available at 11 a.m., 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. perfect timing, where you can dive into Korean history, to witness the changing of the guard ceremony, and stroll through magnificent gardens. Entrance fee is around 3,000 won, but make sure to do your own research as prices can be subjected to change over time. Tip: please visit in the morning to avoid crowds. Number 2, Myeongdong. Myeongdong is a neighborhood in Yeong District, Seoul, famous for its bustling shopping center, which are filled with international brands like Zara, H&M, and luxury department stores, as well as it being the foodie's paradise. Myeongdong has it all. Known to host 2 million visitors daily, Myeongdong is a hot spot for tourists looking to fill their bags as well as their bellies. You can truly sense Seoul's energy when you visit there. There are a ton of restaurants to visit, and well as street food markets where you can enjoy delicacies like tteokbokki, which are spicy rice cakes, and hotteok, sweet pancakes, with the prices range from 2,000 to 10,000 won per dish. Tip: try local favorites and don't miss the bustling night market atmosphere. Moving away from Seoul, we head to Jeonju Hanok, which is a classic traditional Korean residential area housing over 800 traditional Korean house known as hanoks, which are perfectly preserved. Located in the city of Jeonju, South Korea, where overlaps with the Pungnam-dong and Gyeodong neighborhoods, Jeonju Hanok Village was dubbed the International Slow City in 2010 in recognition of its relaxed pace of life, where traditional culture and nature blend harmoniously, and it gets millions of visitors every year. It is the perfect place to escape the bustling city of Seoul to enjoy a perfectly cozy stroll around the beautiful village. Roam the narrow alleys, visit the craft shops, and taste bibimbap, a famous local dish there and around Seoul, and simply just take a breather. While there, you can also choose to visit the Pungam entrance, which was a wall that enclosed Jeonju during the Joseon dynasty, as well as the Jeonju Hyangjo, which was a school for students in Jeonju during the Joseon dynasty period. Entrance to the village is free, and you can wear a hanbok, a traditional clothing for Koreans, for an immersive experience. Number 4, Busan. It would not be a visit to South Korea without taking a visit to Busan. Not only is it home to BTS Jungkook, but it is also South Korea's second most populous city after Seoul. Officially known as Busan Metropolitan City, Busan boasts a population of over 3.4 million inhabitants as of 2017. It is a great place to unwind in the rejuvenating hot springs at Spa Land Centum City, with an entry fee of approximately 15,000 won, as well as the gorgeous beaches around. Don't forget to head over to Gamcheon Culture Village as well as the Yeodong Yanggusa Temple to enjoy a breathtaking cultural moments as well as beautiful views. And the best part is that they are all free. There are full-day tours available, with the cheapest one starting from $99, so just make sure to reserve your spot early. Tip: go during weekdays to avoid the weekend rush. Next on our list is Sokcho, which is much loved by travel enthusiasts for its natural wonders such as Seoraksan Mountain, the East Sea, and luxurious hot springs. If you love hiking, then you might want to go and visit Gyeongbokgung Valley, which is trail that starts at Baisandi and runs for 8 kilometers to the Daechonbong Peak of Seoraksan. The name Gyeongbokgung comes from the shape of the rock formations on both sides of the valley that look like 1,000 statues of the Buddha. It is a very picturesque trail with a ton of colorful foliage, especially in the autumn. Entrance fee is around 3,500 Korean won. Just make sure to start your hike early and bring comfortable hiking shoes. Even though we have mentioned Temple Yeodong Yanggusa, I think it is worth mentioning the 900 beautiful traditional Buddhist temples found in South Korea, Gyeongbokgung Temple being one of them. It would be the perfect place to experience the tranquility of Buddhism with a temple stay at Gyeongbokgung Temple in Busan. Engage in meditation, temple etiquette, and vegetarian meals. Gyeongbokgung Temple in Jeonju, Busan, is the third largest temple in the Yeongnam area following Heinsa Temple and Tungdosa Temple. Built during the reign of Munmu of Silla, it has become famous as a Buddhist temple that has historically nurtured many Buddhist monks. Located at Jeonju Mountain, the temple boasts a beautiful valley and outstanding mountains and is crowded all year around. Not only is it beautiful, prices vary but average around 70,000 won per night. Tip: book in advance and embrace the silence for a unique cultural experience. Number 7. Jeju Island. When you are in South Korea, make sure to fly to Jeju Island, dubbed as the Hawaii of South Korea, a natural paradise. Visit the iconic Jeju Loveland, an adult-themed sculpture park with the entrance fee of approximately 12,000 KRW. Explore stunning beaches and feel free to check out Halasan, South Korea's tallest mountain, with a volcano and a crystal-clear lake on top of the mountain. You can rent a car for convenient island exploration or you can take the bus for as cheap as $1. Another alternative is riding bicycles. If you have been curious about North Korea, then you can embark on a historic journey to the DMZ, Korean Demilitarized Zone, which is the border between North and South Korea. You can join a guided tour to explore tunnels, observation points, and the Dora Observatory. Tour prices usually start at 50,000 won. Make sure to follow the guide's instructions and respect the sensitive nature of the area. Last but not least, South Korea is known as a food haven, which is going to coincide with our 10th thing to do in South Korea on our list, and that is exploring the food market in South Korea as well as cafe hopping. Korean barbecue and soju night are like a staple in South Korea, so don't be afraid to end your exploration with a bottle of soju while grilling your Korean barbecue. Gather at a local restaurant, grill your own meat, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Don't forget to try other South Korean food staples such as kimchi and dakgalbi or spicy stir-fried chicken, which is a popular South Korean dish made by stir-frying marinated diced chicken in a gochujang-based sauce with sweet potatoes, cabbage, perilla leaves, scallions, tok, and other ingredients. Spend the remaining of your days exploring the different unique cafes in South Korea, taking beautiful pictures for memories as well as indulging in the various delicious pastries as well as aromatic coffee. Prices may vary depending on your choices. You can watch the following videos on a detailed itinerary for must-eat foods while in South Korea as well as cafes to hop in. Bye and thank you for watching. Happy traveling!